Why wouldn't you lift your face above?
I'm closing the door. Here it goes, closing. Get down.
Finally found something to keep my cat off the counter.
What do you want? Oh. What do I want?
What are you doing? Oh! What? Oh! Dude!
You're a fat cat, can I get a fat cat?
His face!
I would say mentally I am not well.
Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat? Please.
Are you hungry?
May I have your smelly bird?
I was petting my neighbor's cat when suddenly